Spring Equinox is here. The real New Year is here. For the girls that get it. The ones who don't, get on. Okay?
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's TG for short, not the long play. I just got out of art class. I'm about to go ahead and head home, thankfully, by the grace. I just took my exam, midterm exam, art exam, coming back. Oh baby, I don't know. Hold up, the wind blowing. Now I am back home. I am cooking. I'm about to be done cooking, but I'm about to take a shower. I'm about to go ahead and go to bed for the night. I got class in the morning. I'm tired. I'm hungry. It's just all of the above right now, and I cannot. I'm on my way home. I'm ready to stuff my face because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Yeah. That's what I'm on my way to do right now. I'm on my way to the house. I'm about to eat what I cooked last night. And yeah, that's really that. And I'm gonna really be chilling out for the rest of the day. I don't know what I want to do. I do want to go to the park because it's been pretty lately, but I don't know. I might just go outside, walk at the park, get a little walk or something, film some content. I don't know. Actually, I need to finish editing my hair video. I already got it edited, but I need to go ahead and do like the voiceover and music and shit like that. Go ahead and finish editing it. So yeah, so I can go ahead and upload that tonight and go ahead and have it posted for tomorrow, because YouTube be taking hella long to upload shit and stuff, and I hate that. I don't like that. I really don't. But all right, yeah, I need to focus on driving. I ain't got time. Let me do that. Rising, y'all. How are you? Hope all is well. I'm about to get ready for class. Don't mind the little background. I had to rearrange stuff because I'm about to get ready to do my little get ready with me on TikTok. To pop back in, because the last time I popped in was yesterday after getting out of class, and I never popped back in after that. I'm just chilling this rising, drinking my tea on herb. I really don't feel like going to class today, but I'm gonna push through. I'm grateful to see another day, blessed to, wake up this rising, be able to see, feel, hear, understand. Dang, yo. I do not. Yeah, let's get into it. To a great season, a blessed season. And yeah, I don't feel like going to class today, but I'm gonna prevail through, drinking my tea, having me a good rising, and yes. That's it, that's all. On my way to class, we prevailed, going to class. Woo. Hopefully I'm not too late. I left the house a little later than I needed to, but I should be on time still. Fingers crossed. But yeah, on my way to class. I'm gonna probably pop back in once I get out of class or whatever. I need to start staying on campus because, let me turn the air down. Like, I have it so loud. I need to start like staying on campus and just interacting more, just so I could start networking, because I feel like that's the college experience that I'm missing. I make good grades. I attend classes. I do what I'm supposed to do as a college student, but the best part of college is always the experience and the networking. And I just want to create more of that. I went to GHO for the first time this year, actually, and I'm glad about that, besides just going to the fashion show the year prior. It's time to step out of our comfort zone even more and just get to those new levels, you heard? But yeah, I'm about to focus on driving because I need to drive the people, I just came all the way to class. My green pants is showing in my glasses. But anyways, I just came all the way. Let me turn the air down again. But the sun is out. You got to blast the air, honey. Then got all the way to class. Mind you, I didn't even really feel like going anyway, but I prevailed. I came. And he talking about he doing makeup exams today, only for the people who need to make up the exam, so we could just sign the roll and leave. We walking in and walking straight out. Sir, like, you could have put that on Blackboard or emailed us. I wish he'd take advantage of that email. But, I mean, I'm blessed to have a free day. I'm gonna just relax, kick back. I should go outside in nature or something. I don't know where the day is gonna take me, but we'll see.
You know good girls who don't come outside get cheated on.
My edges wrapped, so don't even mind that. I just laid down my edges real quick. But I'm about to go ahead and leave for class. Rising. It is the next day. It's Thursday. And I really need to be heading out now. Class start at 9:30. It's 9:20. But yeah, let me go ahead and head out.
I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires. I know. You got desires. I know. You got desires. Look at that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside. I'm in that 80 and one of the twist different prior. I try to pay all your loans, so I'll pick up you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I should've moved your way from Houston before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two.
What's up? I knew it was literally about to fall. Present, y'all. It is the next day. I'm up. I'm about to get ready to cook breakfast and go ahead and also get ready to head to work. So yeah, last night I finished making the set that I was making. I'm gonna show y'all that outfit. I really want to go somewhere in it, put on something cute. I don't know, it just made me kind of want to go somewhere, dress it up. Like, I want to just really start getting into styling my pieces. You know what I'm saying? And I already kind of have a look in my head. That's why I think I'm finna to wear it so bad, because I already done thought of a look with it. It's cute, it's different. The skirt is a little out of my comfort zone. The top is cute, but other than that, it's really gonna be a chill day. I work today. Once I get off, I don't have any homework tonight, but I might just go ahead and knock out my homework that's due tomorrow for that's due Sunday. Just go ahead and knock that out tonight, depending on how I'm feeling. Wanted to pop in and say that.
Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a loop. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's who's? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed really honest, turning in and giving time.
Meatless and delicious. Yes. Okay, I'm about to get ready to head in for class. Well, I'm about to walk to my class. I'm talking about head in for class. I'm about to go ahead and get ready to walk to my class. Hopefully we're not in here long. I really did not feel like coming today. I'm not even gonna lie. I was this close to taking a mental health day, but I'm gonna keep going. We almost through the semester. It's March, but please be with me by the grace.
Full cook press put on their neck and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check. It ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know how that go. We only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta. I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix. I built this shit forever. Have to say so. This shit gon' be serious about my money. This ain't no fucking Play-Doh. Wrote it down for double homicide. I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he stay good. I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills.
Y'all, back from class. Child, I don't know. Oh, let me be serious. Okay, on a serious note. It's the next day. Today is Wednesday, March 20th. I know the date for once. Yay me. Today, March 20th. I just got out of class. I'm home eating. I am starving right now. I forgot to say how rude of me. Happy spring, guys. The spring equinox was at 11:09 p.m. last night. Spring equinox is here. The real New Year is here. For the girls that get it. The ones who don't, get on. Okay? I don't know what the hell I was about to say after that, but I just got all happy all of a sudden. Like, girl, calm down. Last night, I just journaled. I really wanted to go outside and burn something, but I just was flowing. I cooked and stuff. I really just wanted to relax after getting my nails and feet done. I cooked dinner. I was like, you know what? I'm going to just journal. I stayed up intentionally. Well, I was already up. I wasn't really that tired, but I just stayed up and I was making it a mission to stay up at least till like 11:09. But I started journaling at like 11:02 and then got done like around 11:20, 11:17 or 15, something like that. I was journaling for about 10, 15 minutes or whatever. I did enjoy that. And I just woke up feeling more, better. It's been a minute since I journaled, so I really felt like I needed that. And I'm glad I stuck to it and just flowed with it and really didn't beat myself up for not doing what I originally planned. I'm closing the vlog out today though, because I do want to go ahead and post it for today. Just take y'all with me for a little bit of the day and then go ahead and upload. But yes, it's already about to be April, y'all. We got like 2 more weeks left of March. But your girl been consistent. Let's talk about that. That's the real tea. That's the real gag. You heard?
Clock it. Stole the phone. Clock it.
I cooked some spinach and some vegetable lo mein and my little amidi steaks last night. Oh, it is so delicious. Matter of fact, I need to go stir it. Hold up. I about forgot I was warming it up. Rising, y'all. I'm about to get ready to take a shower and go to class. I'm debating if I want to do a get ready with me on TikTok. I've been kind of switching the content up on there just because I ain't get bored with the get ready with me's, but I do be liking to kind of switch it up and not keep doing the same thing. So in a sense, just trying to switch up my get ready with me's or OTDs, like however I do it. I'm about to go ahead and get ready and head out for class. End of the week, we've got this. We finished strong. Yesterday, I never popped back in after when I ate my food and stuff. I went and chilled with my homegirl Bree. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get ready for class.
I'm waiting back, and man, I think that we have something proper like a bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, like a bartender. Okay, like a bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, like a bartender. Okay, got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Triple shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Baby still working at the club, so I'm getting in free.
This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Oh wait, hold up. Did I update from the last time? Well, I'm popping back in. I was supposed to be getting content from the part which I did not get. So this is currently the end of the vlog. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 500 subscribers. It's a whole lot of peace, love, and dopeness.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.